We're ready?
Yeah.
Well, there are different options for someone that's, let's say, missing 1 or 2 teeth that needs something right away. Typically a removable bridge, or there's a snap-on type bridge. There are a variety of different temporary aesthetic options that one could use if one has a big event to go to.
Okay, so one can still go and get something temporarily put in, looks good for a few days or weeks or whatever it is, and then goes and does that, implant, which takes a while. Now, while that implant has to sit and settle, and is there some temporary going on, or does the person run around with a little metal stick sticking out?
Absolutely. Yeah, absolutely. Again, we could make that temporary that we were talking about will last throughout the healing phase,
okay,
and right up until when we put the final restoration in.
Okay, good. So I guess you make it a little smaller or whatever to make sure it doesn't touch anything, something like that, and tell the person not to eat and chew too much on that side?
We would build it around the implant so that it wasn't pressing on it. And we would fit it into the cosmetic zone to make it look as natural as we could.
Well, wonderful. Here we have it. So, kind of like mini implants versus the normal traditional implants, and basically what you say, if you want to be sure it works, let's go and do the real thing and get by with something temporary in between, but not one of those mini implants which gets the full crown or the full cap right away. Dr. Melnick, thanks a lot.
You're welcome.